The sun is shining, waterfalls are tumbling down, and the first tourists has just arrived to Hardanger. But what exactly are they looking at? It must be something hilarious.
That's a very famous Finnish troll. He just got lost in a Norwegian waterfall and got trapped there.
Jonas and Makiko is on holiday in the Hardangerfjord, and the reason why they are here is because they heard it was such a romantic place to go to.
After midnight, must have been 3 years since we last spoke. I slowly tried to bring back the image of your face from the memory so old. I tried so hard to follow, but didn't catch a half of what had gone wrong.
Brilliant. It's looking beautiful around here. More green around here and more vegetation. Yeah, it's a beautiful place.
Crash on the highway, stranded between my friends that waited.
The second waterfall on the itinerary was Vøringfossen at Fossli. This is the largest waterfall in Norway. The lovely couple decided to eat lunch at Hardangervidda Nature Center in Upper Eidfjord. Makiko ordered blue shells and Jonas mountain trout. It was a delicious meal in the new building made of wood and stone. On top of the restaurant roof they keep 2 little goats, and Jonas got really fond of them.
So come on, get along. Hang out with me. Please hang out with me. It takes passion from both of us to work things out. 0 times when it gets impossible to forget. I am destined to.
The final destination is Norhemsund, and this is where Steinsdalsfossen waterfall is situated. This is the most romantic waterfall you can ever imagine.